Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily and simply make a poll in the Instagram app story. Friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. Let's get ourselves started, friends. And now I'm going to show you from the very beginning how you can do this kind of survey of your story. So friends, first things first. You will need to open the Instagram app and then go to create a story. To do this, you can swipe from the left side to the right side across the screen. Then you can either take a photo on your Instagram camera or you can choose a photo from your gallery, let's say. You can also do it on video. Next, when you take a photo, at the top, click on this emoji sign right here. After that, select the survey here. Now you're going to need to ask some sort of question. You can ask a question. Write absolutely anything that you're interested in. Next, what can you do? You can offer your answer choices. Or, as you can see, there are two ready-made answer choices. It's yes or no. And at the bottom you can add, for example, I don't know. For example, if you create a question, do you like this sweater? Yes, no, and don't know, yes, or some other options. I'm asking about the flavor on popcorn, for example. And also you can here not only write in text, but you can also add emoji what I want to do. Here you can add any absolutely emoji. And when you've already edited the first line, click on the second line. And then either enter text or continue to add any emoji. There can be a maximum of 4 such responses. As you can see, after the fourth further answer does not appear, so there are no more options. That is a maximum of 4. And now friends, you can also change the color. To do that, at the top, click here on the palette, and as you can see, the color of your survey will change. Then click Done. Now your survey can be kind of full screen. You can zoom in, zoom out, move it to any part of the screen on the story. Choose absolutely any option you want. Then you can also add geolocation, music, and so on to make your story even more interesting. And then click your story. And instantly the story will be uploaded. Next, to see the options of who, for example, how they responded to your story, you can open it up. You'll have this eye at the bottom. You click on it, it'll be down here on the bottom left, and it'll take you to these kinds of story settings. There will be a detailed description of how many people have viewed the story, how many people have replied to it, and so on. And there you can already find out who answered for which option and how many in number. That's the way you'll be able to do polls in your Instagram story. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you, friends. Please put your likes under the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to write your comments. Goodbye.